Meet the Cloner Alliance UHD Pro, a standalone 4K Ultra HD video recorder that promises to record pretty much anything you need. The guys over Cloner Alliance sent this over for me to review. They didn't pay me, there's no script, no requirements, so everything you're about to hear is 100% my own thoughts. So the big question is this device actually helpful? Is it worth your money? So that's it, let's find out. So let's take a look around at the device itself. On the front, we have a line in, line out, and mic input, an H.265, H.264 button, snapshot button, and a stop and rec button, a USB to PC, a standard USB-A port, and on the other side we have a power button, a 12V power input, HDMI-out, HDMI-in. So yeah, first impression, this little box has a lot of I/O, more than I expected for its size. Next up, we have the remote. You got your red record stop button, display button, snapshot button, and everything else you'd expect. It takes two AAA batteries, and honestly, the buttons are surprisingly clicky. But the design of the remote, yeah, it definitely has that 3D printed look. It works, but it feels a bit budget. Inside the box, we also get a power brick, and this one is a UK 3-pin plug, which is a nice bonus for me. The output is 12V, so no USB-C here, just the traditional barrel connector. You also get the USB cable you'll use for the PC recording or pass-through. So setting up the device is quite easy. You're gonna take the power lead, just put it here. Instantly we stop blinking. Now where's the HDMI out? We're gonna put this HDMI which goes to that monitor. And in the HDMI in, I'm gonna use my Firestick. The setup itself is quite messy, but it's straightforward to use and it's an easy setup. Just make sure your USB storage is formatted as exFAT. If it's not, the Cloner Alliance won't record properly, so keep that in mind. So let's jump into the menu. In record settings, the format is H.264, the bitrate rate is set to high, and everything else can stay on default. We got schedule settings if you want automatic recordings. System settings lets you change language and other general options. And of course we have video playback and photo playback. One cool feature, press the camera icon on the remote and instantly takes a screenshot of your entire screen. Head to photo playback to view it. Wanna delete it? Just press the delete button on the remote. It's pretty easy. Alright, let's try recording something simple using my Firestick. Press the big red button at the top of the remote and recording starts instantly. Press the red button to stop. And to view your recordings, just press menu and head to video playback. You can watch the recording directly from the device. So, the Cloner Alliance Ultra HD Pro. It's simple, plug and play, and honestly a really handy standalone 4K recorder. It's not perfect, I do wish it has USB-C and the remote definitely has that 3D printed vibe, but in terms of recording, consoles, TVs, tutorials, or anything without needing a PC, it just works. I'll continue testing this with retro consoles, game systems, and maybe even a few TVs. So if you want to see those videos, let me know in the comments. And if you want to get one for yourself, I'll leave links in the description so you can check it out. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.